Hi everyone, in this video I will teach you how to take an approximation of a number to a certain place. So first of all, we should know what is the meaning of place value. Actually, we have learned it in primary school. For example, in this number, the number 1 representing the place value ones, and the next one 8 representing the place value tens, and the number 4 representing the place value hundreds, and the number after the decimal points, the number 2 representing place value tenth, and the last one representing the place value hundredth. Sometimes we will group the number after the decimal point. In this example, we can group these two numbers and say it as two decimal places. Then, how to take an approximation of a number? Actually, there are three ways. First of all is round off, second one is round up, and the last one is round down. And actually, the first one, round off, we have learned it in primary school. Let's do some example to familiarize it. For example, this number, the question asks us to round off this one to the nearest integer, which means we don't want to keep any decimal place. So referring to this number, the integer place, which is ones, and the number behind it is 2, which is a very small number. That's why we won't increase it by 1. We will ignore it. And the answer of this question is 481. Let's try one more example. This time, we need to round off this number to the nearest tenth. So sometimes the question will write in this way. So it is clear that we want to keep one decimal place only. Now, referring to this number, and the number next to it is 7. And this is a number greater than 5. That's why we will increase the value by 1. And the answer of it is 481.3. Then how about the meaning of round up? Let's see this example. The question asks us to round up this number to the nearest 10. And the number 8 is in the 10th place. The number next to it is 1, which is a very small number. However, the question asks us to round up, which means although the number is small, we still need to increase the place value by 1. So according to the questions, after rounding up, the answer of it is 490. And the meaning of round down is opposite. This time we need to round down this number to one decimal place. So we want to keep one decimal place here. So we look at the number next to it. This number 7 is quite big. But the question asks us to round down, which means no matter this number is big or small, we won't increase the value by 1. We will ignore it. That's why the answer for this question is 481.2. Now, let's sum up what we have learned. So there are three ways to take approximations. Round off is the most easy one, so I no need to explain it more. So round up means no matter the number is big or small, we still need to round it up, increase the value by 1. Round down have the opposite meaning, which means no matter the number is big or small, we will ignore it. We won't increase the value by 1. That's the end of this video. Bye bye.